Okay, welcome back to another episode of the Grease Monkey Garage. I'm going to do a little bit of body work today, or grinding and cutting, so I'll show you what I'm doing. First of all, I let you show you some parts that I got. Going to use this metal from this old locker to fix the body. You can see their original Jeep parts. I also got some other metal here. That's nice. Didn't cost me anything for the parts, so since this is a low budget production, so here's what I've been doing. Let me set the camera up here. So as you can see, I've been doing some cutting and grinding. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because there's all kinds of videos on body work, but just show you what I'm doing here. I've got this here. Put a flange on the metal, so I'll just show you how that works. Okay, so let's have a closer look, see if this worked. Don't know if you can see it, but put a bit of a flange on there. There's a good angle. So hopefully I can take some of my Jeep parts over there. I don't know if that's thick enough, but I'll weld it in here. And here's the floor pan. I'm not sure how this is going to all work out, but actually fits pretty good. So like I say, I'm not going to show a whole bunch on the body work because I'm sure it's been covered. So I'll just keep giving little videos of the progress. Yeah, it's quite a mess under there. Just show you one of the body mounts over here. I had to cut this open to get this thing that used to be a body mount. So that's not so bad, just have to weld that shut down after, shut like that. Not bad. So I'll keep working on this and keep trying to make some little videos here to keep you updated. See you later.